What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with a Gala Games update. I've been doing this for a few days now, so I showed you guys how to upgrade to Gala Gold to get a free NFT, which you can see right here. This is the Express Depot. This allows you to get up to 1 town coin per day from actually playing the game. The cost is around 50 to 60 bucks, depending on how much gas you spend and stuff like that. I found out you can buy Gala directly on Coinbase and send that to your wallet on Gala Games. Once that's done, just leave a little extra enough to buy your Gala Gold upgrade, as well as leave at least 1 Gala in your wallet, and that will give you 1 Gala power, which you can see up here in the top left, which means you can place 1 FT and earn from 1 NFT. So I'm going to show you guys basically how to earn this town coin per day. So if you're starting with just Gala Gold and the free NFT, basically all you have to do every day is reach the 1,000 star mark. And you'll do that by producing something. The walkthrough that I watched said wool was a good place to start, so that's what I've been doing. I also have my own gas production going down here. So these windmills produce energy. These produce water barrels. This produces crude oil. This refinery turns crude oil and these resources into petroleum. And this refinery turns petroleum and these resources into gasoline. So once you're fully set up, you won't have to worry about your gasoline running out anymore, and you can just focus on increasing the speed of production for your town, which means it'll take less time to complete your task every day. So you guys can see right now I have 9 wool ready to go. So after 1 more, and this one's almost ready, we'll be ready to ship this out and actually complete our task for the day. So I'll show you what that looks like. And another thing to note, I have this auto sell active up here. I found a script that is used by people in Townstar, and developers have said this is okay, from my understanding. It allows you to auto sell goods, so you can set a threshold for each good. Like wool, I just set at 10 because as soon as we get that done, we want to sell it right away. Wood, I set a little higher, and wheat, I haven't been selling automatically, but I might set a threshold for that as well soon. So with those scripts, you can kind of leave the game run, and your town will continue to produce for you automatically. So once we sell this last wool, I'll show you guys how this looks, how to refresh and actually claim your town coin for the day. So you can see currently I'm at 950 out of 1,000 stars. And as soon as this last wool is done, which has got about 27 seconds left, one of these ranchers is going to come and grab it, put it in the storehouse here, and then it will automatically sell since I have auto sell active. And that will bump me up over the threshold. So it resets every day. It's not at the beginning of the day for me. It's kind of like in the afternoon. And then you have 24 hours to complete the task each day before the next day. And you actually do have to come back and claim your reward as well. So collect reward before the timer ends or you will lose it. So just make note of that. If you're running these scripts in the background, you'll still have to come back to the game and click collect reward. So right now she's taking that last wool. She just added that. So that auto sell should trigger. There it goes. And it's going to go to the nearest city. So that happens automatically for you, which is pretty nice. And you can set thresholds for different goods. So it's also selling wood for me automatically because that filled up my storehouse. So once that came back, you can see I made some money. And also my task is completed. It turned green up here. So that lets you know you've reached the necessary stars for the day. So notice you can click here and put collect rewards. And it's going to say reward has been collected. You've earned 1 town coin. Now if I had a more expensive NFT, I could generate more than 1 town coin, but I can only earn from 1 NFT at a time. So I could get an NFT that produces 100 town coin per day, place that in here, and I could actually earn 100 town coin per day doing the same exact thing. So keep that in mind. With that being said, do I think it's worth it right now to actually upgrade to Gala Gold and get the free NFT and keep a Gala in your account for Gala power? Let's take a look. So I've been doing this for a little over a week. I just earned my town coin for the day. So let's back out here. back to the Gala Games screen. And we'll go, I'm just going to take this out so we go back to the beginning. So I just exited the game now. I'm going to go to inventory. You can see I have 6 town coin. I bought extra Gala just to make sure I'd have enough. So I got 29 Gala. And my Gala power level is 1. So every 5,000 Gala, this power level will increase and I could place an additional NFT. So right now, town coin is about 60 cents. So this is about $3.60 that I've made over the last week or so playing this. So one thing you have to know for now is, let's say I wanted to convert this and actually send it somewhere. You can see right here there's a gas fee of $25.50. So this gas fee costs more than it actually exists in my wallet. So if I wanted to send those 6 town or 7 town out, it would cost me $25.50, so it's not even worth the transaction. So it's actually going to take me, let's see, about 50 days right now to be even able to send out enough town to earn like $5. So if you think 60 cents times 50 days, that's going to give me $30. And then it's going to cost me $25.50 just to send it somewhere, so I'd end up with like $4. So 50 days to earn $4 back from my initial Gala Gold upgrade, which was about $90. I paid extra because I wasn't aware it was available on Coinbase, so I paid some extra gas fees and stuff like that. But I wouldn't say that's like a really good investment, especially if you're spending your time doing this. But what I will say is if you really want to get into this, you should consider actually getting some of these upgraded NFTs. So you can go to OpenSea and search for Town Star, and it's going to have this blue check mark right here, so it's a verified collection. There's 414 available right now. So one of those NFTs I was looking at is the rare Tesla coil. See if I can find one for you. Yep. Right here. So the current price is 7.6 ETH. That's about 30K. But I believe this one earns you about 140 town coin per day. And you'll be able to resell this NFT later. So 140 town coin per day times 365 is 51K town coin. And right now it's about 60 cents. So it's about a 1-year payback period for your investment into this. But you also got to realize that this asset is yours too. So you own the NFT. At that point, you could sell it, or they're thinking about having a rental system in the future. You could rent these out. And the price of town coin could go up as well. So let's say town coin goes to $1. We divide that back by 60. Now you made 50,000 per year, basically by making this investment in year 1. Then every year after that, it's going to be profit, right? Because you still own the NFT. Assuming the platform continues to grow, this will probably increase in value as well. And you'd have some somewhat passive income. So I've considered this. You could even pay someone to play the game for you and just collect your rewards every day, as long as that's something you're interested in doing. If you are very into gaming, it's something you could consider. There's other NFTs too, which give you less rewards per day. If I were to go into it, I would probably get something at the $100 per day or 100 town coin per day or more threshold. That's just me personally. I feel like the lesser NFTs aren't really worth the time to even play the game if you're trying to do it for a monetary return. So some of these 100+ NFTs, check out the prices on them. I did find a town coin NFT chart you can reference. So I'll pull that up as well. Here's that list. So this isn't all the NFTs you can get. It's just some of those. But it gives you a starting point, right? So here's that rare Tesla coil. That was about 7.6 ETH. If you can score one at a discount, like if you make an offer on OpenSea, your returns could be even better. Some of these are somewhat cheaper, like a couple thousand, if you wanted to just start earning 9 or 14 per day. you could pay a little less. It all depends on kind of your philosophy, how much you have to put into this potential, and what your risk tolerance is. To me, this would be about the most I would even consider getting into. You could even go in on it with a few people, like pool your ETH. Maybe 4 or 5 people go in on it. You guys now have an asset you can leverage, possibly rent in the future, and someone could do one thing, like actually play the game. Someone could bring the capital more so than others, and then you could split the returns over time, something like that. So just things to consider. Do I think it's really worth upgrading to Gala Gold to get the Express Depot and then make 1 town coin per day? Not really. You'd have to play a long time, and while you're playing for 1, that whole time you could have been playing for more, and it's the same exact process. So instead of earning 1, you could earn 140, although that's a huge investment to put into, a game. But potentially it's earning a pretty good salary if you consider that per year. So you could earn up to 50,000 or more if town coin goes up. But that's all speculation. No one knows what the price is going to do either, and this is all relatively new. So consider that. There's other games coming as well on Gala Games, and there's other gaming platforms like Illuvium, Sandbox, and Decentraland. There's plenty of metaverses and play-to-earn gaming opportunities coming up. But it's a really interesting space. I think you guys should consider it. At least dip your toes in. You can find out, like I did, just by paying about $90 max. You can actually start earning town coins, see if it's something you might be interested in investing more. But with that being said, I think you've got a good idea of where to start. I'm interested in some of these upcoming games. They have a Walking Dead game coming up. They also have Miranda's, which look kind of cool, and some other stuff in the works. So just stay tuned. Keep your ears to the ground. If you're interested in play-to-earn gaming, NFTs, the metaverse, VV collectibles, or anything like that, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Smash that bell so you get notifications whenever I drop a new video like this one. Appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, drop them below, comments. Hit the like button if you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay legendary.